I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. This is a guide for Monash University students to navigate the Monash University Library and find resources for their study and research. This is the second video in our series designed for Monash students. We are not a Monash campus, but we are affiliated with them and provide services to assist Monash students who are undertaking a placement at Alfred Health or who are studying with a department that is based at Alfred Health. In this video, we will show you how to search the Monash Library catalogue using both the basic search and advanced search functions. The most common way students interact with the library website is through searching the online catalogue. And there are two main ways to do this: basic and advanced search. Basic search is what you see on the library homepage by default. If you type keywords in here, it will search for every item that contains those keywords somewhere in the information about the item. The basic search can be effective in a few circumstances. For example, if you have the full title of an article, you can paste it in and it will usually retrieve that exact article. But keep in mind that the basic search looks for your search terms across all the possible information fields about that item. So it will look in the title of the item, the author name, the description, etc. Sometimes the results can look a little odd or seem a bit irrelevant to what you're looking for. However, advanced search allows you to be more specific about what you're looking for. Compared to the basic search, which searches in all fields at once, when you do an advanced search, you can choose to only search in specific areas. For example, the title. It allows you to specify things like author, date range, the type of material, and the language the material is in. This reduces the number of results you get in a search, but it can help you to find more relevant results related to your topic. After you have done your search, you will be taken to the search results. Once you are here, you can further refine your results by using the filters and sorting functions. Filters allows you to limit your search based on key elements. For example, you can choose to search for peer-reviewed journal articles that are only in English. Sort can arrange the items into a specific order, such as according to date or to relevance. An important thing to remember is that if you are doing a systematic review, doing a catalogue search, whether basic or advanced, is not enough to find materials. You will need to search through databases in order to gather up all the material you need for a systematic review. If you need help on database searching and conducting a systematic review, we have classes available through our Alfred Health Library Services website. See our events page at www.alfredlibrary.org/events to book a class. Please note that classes often have eligibility criteria in order to enter. For example, some classes require that you are a staff member of Alfred Health or the Burnett Institute. Other classes require that you have a university affiliation of some type in order to enter. Please check the eligibility criteria before you register for any of the classes at Alfred Health. Now you should be able to search the Monash University Library's online catalogue. In the next video in this series, we will show you how to use features in the online catalogue to improve your research. There will be a link in the description to the whole playlist. Thank you for watching.